Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito, here to enrich your everyday cooking with the power of umami. Today, we are making homemade mentsuyu, the Japanese noodle soup base used for soba, udon, and many other dishes. With this on hand, you can make delicious meals in no time. Let's get started. Now, let's make mentsuyu. First, prepare saucepan. Add soy sauce, half a cup 100 grams. Next, add mirin, 1/3 cup 80 grams. Then add sake, 4 tablespoons 50 grams. Now, add kombu. I'm using a piece about 2 inches long 5 centimeters. Finally, add 3 tablespoons 30 grams of sugar. Turn on the heat and cook over medium heat. Warm it gently until it starts to simmer and bubble lightly. Once the seasoning mixture begins to boil, lower the heat to low and add a handful of Katsuobushi, roughly 0.1 ounces 3 grams. Then turn off the heat. Here's Dr. Bonito's pro tip. After adding Katsuobushi, turn the heat off immediately. This helps prevent the delicate aroma of the Bonito flakes from being damaged by high heat. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to cool slightly and allow the flavors to develop. After that, strain the liquid. And here it is. Your homemade mentsuyu is ready. Now you know how to make homemade mentsuyu. With good katsuobushi, even the simplest dish becomes deeply satisfying. Keep this in your kitchen and let the power of umami support your everyday cooking. Have a flavorful day.